Sandeep Desai from Valsad. I am a physician and a diabetologist. Heart failure is a condition in which the heart does not pump effectively so that it can meet the needs of the body. Heart basically is a pump which supplies blood to all the organs of the body by its contraction. And if it is ineffective, the body does not get the supply and the needs are not met. Heart failure is a common condition in the sense it is present in almost 1 to 2% of the general population. Normally, as I said, either it is a systolic dysfunction, that is the contraction is very poor, or a diastolic dysfunction in which the filling is impaired, the relaxation is not proper. In both the condition, you get symptoms and signs of heart failure, which should be picked up early. The patient usually has dyspnea or breathlessness on exertion, some undue awareness of the breathing in the sense of increased pulse rate, there is some swelling of the legs, and these are the subtle symptoms or signs which should be picked up so that it can be treated as early as possible. Yes, this is important because we should know that there are a lot of conditions which can cause heart failure, but the commonest ones are diabetes, hypertension which is long-standing, patient who had recent heart problems or even past heart problems, or some who had some congenital defects in the heart. These are all the conditions which are commonly causing heart failure, and in this condition we should be very vigilant and effectively pick up early, and the patient should be knowing that these are the symptoms which are suggestive of heart failure. They can consult the doctor. There are certain tests like cardiogram can be taken, one basic test, and then an echocardiogram which is called the ultrasound of the heart in a simple language, and there are some blood tests like NT-pro, BNP. All this can be picked up and we can pick up a heart failure early. Heart failure, as I said, is a serious condition. It can lead to hospitalization, it can be life-threatening. So that should be known to everyone. But at the same time, it is manageable condition. If proper lifestyle, if you consult your doctor effectively and early, you get optimal medical therapy, and then now there are newer drugs which are available to support the patient, and there are certain support devices which can be put in the patient, and this all depending on what is the condition of the patient will help the patient in living more stable life, a healthy life, and a good quality of life. My message is, as I said earlier, it is manageable condition. So you should consult your physician regularly. You should go for regular checkups, changes in the medication, some changes in the therapy which are needed. Regularly, you should at least 1 monthly or 3 monthly depending on your doctor's call. At the same time, you should follow your lifestyle. Salt restriction has to be done. Smoking, tobacco, alcohol has to be 100% avoided, and then you can really live a good quality life. There are two conditions. One is whether you have some risk factors or not. If you have diabetes, if you have long-standing hypertension, if you have some heart attacks or any other problems in the past, then you should be able to pick up the symptoms early. You should be able to recognize easy fatigability, some palpitation, increase in the heart rate, some swelling of the leg, and then you should immediately go and consult your doctor. At the same time, if you have established heart failure, you already have the symptoms and signs of heart failure, then also, as I said, you need optimal lifestyle, medications, regular checkup, and need be there are some support devices which can be given to you by the doctor, and hence you can live a more stable and a good quality life. Thank you.